Alrighty folks, back to this 4440 I'm working on. I found a battery for putting this to use for now. We're gonna currently got something holding in my mouth. Sorry, I was holding something in my mouth. I currently have a battery that I'm gonna be using for this 4440. Actually make the time to go purchase new 12-volt batteries because I'm going to convert this over to a 12-volt system. Alrighty. Something is going to be a pain in the royal ass. It doesn't matter what project you do, there's one thing that's going to be a pain in the ass in that project. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. Guess who's back? Back again. Put it there. Put it in there, tighten it down. I'm not even paying attention if y'all can see what I'm doing, and you can't. I just took the end off of that one cable and put it on this cable. I just realized I could have just put those two cables kind of together and made one cable, but oh well. Tight. Tight. One cable. There. Run this cable. I'm gonna have to run this cable underneath that. Around. Take this underneath and ground it to this tip. Where I did it before already. I gotta find the person to put that. Oh Lord. I'll be back. I gotta find some wrenches. Alrighty, I looked out and found a wrench. It's a 9/16, and I'm gonna put this tripod down so you can see what I'm doing. Yep, y'all can see it. Alright, come on, baby. You were just loose the other day. See, I just had this loose together. Oh, that's right. So you gotta break the bar and put the arm guard on it because this is a step and this is we're getting in and out, so it's got to be tight. I mean, safety is involved, so. Oh, it's just spinning it. Alright, I'm gonna have to figure out some type of contortionist move here to get this to go on this. See if she turns over now. Woo, boy! Just fix the old problem. Put that on. All right, fellas, we are about to see this bad boy. It's gonna fire up for us. But no, something bad is going on. Video, I'm gonna change this to 4K 60 because YouTube ain't compatible with 8K. This is me. I just got these problems buttoned up on this tractor. And I'm about to show you all something to make every bit of the last 3 hours that I've spent worth it. Are you ready to hear this? Anybody that ain't used to tractors, clutch, 2 brakes. You can either lock them together with that little lever that flips around, or you run them separately, like we're making a tight turn. Here we got a throttle. You got a quad range, which is 4 gears and 4 ranges. This has to be in neutral before you can put this in the park, and it has to be in neutral before you take it out of park. You got your 3-point here, which is your arms back there. Up they go, down they go. Here's your hydraulic remotes. This is the main one you're going to use. Here's a second one. Pull this back, like raise your hay bine up, push it forward, let it down, push it all the way up. It's in float, so you got constant pressure going through it. Like if you're running something on the back that has another valve on it to control it, you just shove that forward. So you're not controlling it with this, you're controlling on whatever is on the implement itself, because the constant flow going through there, so you don't need to be changing it. Auxiliary remote. I prefer to have 3 on this, like disking and stuff, but I guess two will work. Tractor has 7,420 hours. That's a lot of damn hours. But for this, in the year, that's not any hours at all. So say you're wanting to take off, you'll put the clutch in there, take this out apart. There's A, B, C, and D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to 2 is a power shift. 3 to 4 is power shift. But 2 to 3, you got a clutch. You also have reverse down here, and you can power shift into the second reverse. So say you're wanting to go into C3, you'll leave that in neutral. You always shift your gears first. There's 3. Wait, no, there's 3. And there's C. I spent 3 hours working on this same tractor again to get this battery problem fixed. Finally got the batteries put in and everything, and I'll show you all now how this thing is supposed to turn over. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you $40,000 almost worth of sexy sound.